We're in Krabi, Ao Nang. This is our day 2. Didn't film anything the last day and a half. But we are making our way to Railay Beach. Should be an absolutely beautiful day for it. It's been raining non-stop for 2 days, so seems like the perfect time.
Can you take my backpack, please?
Yeah.
I think I'm going to sink.
We got another go of Zara's arch enemy though, the little long-tail boat. Arch nemesis. See if we get any tears today.
I hate these boats.
I got my phone in my pocket, is that a bad idea?
Yeah, it's a really bad idea.
Uh-oh. I might stop filming and try and actually get on the boat. This is mental. This guy is doing God's work. He's saying, hurry the f*** up, I can't hold it much longer. It's actually pretty deep. Oh, Dad, quick. He's doing his shift as well. I'm soaking wet. For f***'s sake. Love that for me.
Okay?
Yeah. Woo! What an absolute joke. I try and get a closer look at the engines that I was talking about the other day. Back of these boats. I did actually have a dream last night that went down the shipwreck. Really bad time to mention it. Here we are, folks. Should I get off? First impressions? Seems quite nice. Oh, seems quite nice. You good? You good?
Thank you.
Who's your mummy?
You made it. Cool.
My mum made it. What do we do now? We just go home? Just go back?
Everyone comes here for the journey.
Yeah. It was pretty fun. This is stunning though. Wow. Sweet, let's find our way around. I haven't actually done too much research on Railay, but if you haven't seen this beautiful, peaceful beach, this might be a bit of an Instagram versus reality moment for you. Truthfully, it's what I expected. I thought it'd be worse than this, to be honest, just because it's a nice day. I feel like that's half the reason people come down Ang is for Railay Beach. But it is busy. If you're expecting to come to some peaceful, tranquil little beach, this might not be the place for you. It's stunning though. Don't mind it, I don't mind it. Trainer. I'm on an important mission to find some kind of fruit drink or some fresh fruit, something like that. Basically just bored, sitting in the sun. Fancy a little walk. I think there's actually like a little town here, so maybe there are some little street food vendors. Or I get some fresh mango or something. Or maybe some fresh iced tea, some lemonade, something like that. It's a pretty cool beach, I'll give it that. Zara said it's one of my favourite beaches so far, but I'm more of a quiet, Koh Lanto type vibe with a little beach bar. Suits me. I was kind of hoping for a 7-Eleven, but we got a little mini mart. Just see some fresh fruit and veg, but can't beat like a mini mart, can you? You know what, sack that. Sack that off. I'm gonna get some of that fresh iced tea. Yeah. Like a. Just looking for a little iced tea, iced lemon tea. Are you f***ing it? I'm just dropping this shit all over the place. Sorry, it's gonna be like, where the fuck did you go? Gone for ages. But... Oh, Rossi, 46. Motorbike, Valentino Rossi. Rossi time, jokes. So random, everything is just so random. Been saying it since day one. Another dude just recording his wife, his missus just goes, you stop recording everything. Record everything. At JP, never stop documenting. Pretty nice bars. think these all seem quite affordable actually. I thought it would be crazy expensive over this side. Random, what is this? Random little shop. Yeah, that's actually pretty expensive. 2 rolls, 120. Chicken curry, 100 baht, that's not bad. £2.50. That's not too bad, to be honest. How much are the beers? 90 baht for a small. It's kind of what you expect, really, isn't it? 6 baht. It's chicken. Oh. Is this duck or chicken? Is it duck or chicken? Is it duck? Duck? Oh. I think it's chicken, actually. Barbecue chicken. I just drag out Zara over the side of the island actually. It's not even an island, it's actually mainland. Feels like an island, definitely feels like an island. Let's get copyrighted. Looks good. Some crumbs starting early. Goes water gun out. Legit, all the food actually over here looks really good. We have to eat soon. I think the last bus out, the last boat out is at 6 o'clock. It's currently 2:38. Should we get a little weather check while we're here? 30 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. 30 degrees, UV 8. Very, very high. Definitely can't even see any of that, but I've kind of got through the main strip. Get my lady some drink. Kind of fancy a cocktail or a beer now that I'm down here. Yeah, I'm gonna get her some fresh juice. I've literally come back all the way to the place that I started because their lemon tea actually looked banging. I'm right down back at the beach. Good walk nonetheless. Do you reckon they do takeaway? Better. Ice lemon tea. Here we go. Times 2.
You want for can or
Homemade. Can or homemade. The copyright fan. Absolute smack. Let's get involved. Gonna explore the other side of the island. But it's absolutely sweltering. I'm dripping with sweat. Oh, absolutely horrible. Yeah. What an awful place to be, huh? Do you hear that? Where?
There.
Hello, Mr. Monkey Man.
Oh my god, don't do it. It might jump on you. Keep your thing.
What? Oh, hello, Mr. Monkey Dude. Oh, he scared me. Just hanging out? Or what? Or he's just chilling. That's weird.
They scare me so much.
They
Can you
just,
go up there?
it's like, yeah, I'm gonna eat your face if you annoy me.
Yeah, I don't want nothing to do with these monkeys. I'm sorry, monkey.
Hello, Mr. Monkey Man. Please don't eat me. Letting it all hang out.
Look.
Oh, there's loads over there. There's loads of monkeys here.
Little baby ones are trying to get in. Oh my goodness, Alfie, they're everywhere.
Little monkey man. Hello, little monkey man. Look at the baby. There's 2 babies. Oh wow. That's so cool. That's insane. They're going to steal my stuff for
I'm
sure.
a bit scared.
I'm going to put this wristband on because beware the monkeys. They're dangerous sometimes.
Oh! No, I didn't even come back.
Nah.
Hey, look at that tree. They're all in that tree. I'm scared of monkeys.
There's loads of monkeys.
I'm scared of it.
Why?
Where'd he go?
I have no idea. That is so loud. Can you hear that? Weird how loud that is. No. What's all doing in there? Smashing. Clapping cheeks. I'm actually sweating so much.
I think we should go back. Where are we going?
I have no idea. I'm assuming this leads somewhere, no? It's also in the shade, so I don't really mind it. Can we get your maps out and see where we're heading? The monkey's not going to steal your phone. because there's no monkeys here. Can you see any monkeys? There can't be any. They're not ants, are they? They're not tiny little things. Pranang Nai Cave. How'd you get in? Have a look. Huh? Okay, cool. Does Pace get in here? Of course you do. 200 baht. I'm not paying that. I'm not joking, just wanted to see if I can cave. That's what I paid to get here and back. Also, I don't have enough on me, I don't think. I'd rather see the monkeys anyway.
No.
It's like a proper adventure right now, buddy. What's the name?
Steve Backshore.
I was going with Indiana Jones, but yeah, Steve Backshore works too. Jesus Christ.
That's Steve Irwin.
Or Steve Irwin, yeah.
Rob Irwin.
Or Rob Irwin, just naming people now.
They're adventurers.
I don't know if they're adventurers, they're animal people. I don't really know what their actual words
They're
are.
adventurers.
Yeah, I guess they do adventure. Yeah. What's that dog doing?
Is that a German Shepherd?
Is that a German Shepherd? Here you go, mate. Badass. Little babies. Yeah, they're going to climb across, right? Yeah, climb onto this fire as well. Oh, that's cool. Oh, she was hard. I've never seen a monkey look so lost on a wire. Look at it, they can barely walk. Isn't this what you do? What are you doing, buddy? These monkeys are monkeys. They're awful at climbing. He's upside down. How's he upside down? There you off to. Why are they so bad at climbing? Oh, hello monkey! I mean, look at him! Oh, what? Where did they come from? Holy. Oh, there's so many fruits in this tree, that's why. Goodbye, little monkey man. I thought that was a massive... I thought it was a massive monkey. Look at him! Bro's dangling.
Oh no!
They're just monkeying around, aren't they? I mean, this guy must be like so stoned, he doesn't know what's going on. Oh, thought it was a monkey. Sick. He's a big monkey. Jump, little monkey, jump. That was sick. Surely I got that on video.
Monkey train.
Monkey train. Family outing. He's gonna try and jump across.
I'm actually a bit scared.
They're gonna go across. Fuck that. You could definitely kick one of them, wouldn't it? Oh. Where you going, little monkey man? Oh, I hope he's not going to eat my face. That would suck.
Why are you following us?
How far are you guys going? Alright, can we... Was it?
Like a normally wouldn't throw lickable at 41 that.
Yeah.
Just put it there.
I might put the camera away. Just sweating, here we are. Pretty wholesome, isn't it? A crazy fun day has come to an end. On Railay Beach.
Why are you pretending to be the narrator from Pokemon?
Ash and his friends with their new pals. Will Lytton ever become friends with Ash?
Dora ever liked being on these boats?
Oh, my phone's actually in my pocket.
Oh, Alfie.
Bad idea. I'm trying to get on last on this boat so I get the front seat. Woo! Glad I wore swimming trunks. They could have brought it in a little bit, do you know what I mean? Didn't realise I was going to go for a swim, yeah.
I like how soft the sand is.
Oh, it's kind of creeped me out or something.
I like it.
Whoa!
Oh.
Oh, the sand is too soft.
I love it.
Why is it so soft? It's actually getting a bit mad. Why are we still going out? I'm just soaking wet. What's the point? We've got to sit on a boat for 20 minutes. That man's had enough. He's not walking any further. Whoa. Your bag's going to get wet.
Oh, Alfie. I'm carrying my bag like a giant.
I'm soaked. What? We're still going. Where's he going? Literally. Do this bag up, keep it tighter. He's literally walked, not even this boat, the one behind it. An absolute joke. This guy has had enough. He's not. I'm actually soaked. Do you reckon I ask one of these boats for a lift? These are the engines, by the way. Oh, I've been rambling about these are the engines. Proper car engines. I feel like I'm back in the Stone Age or something. Why are we walking? Oh, look at this wave. I'm soaked. Everyone's absolutely drenched. Bloody hell, I'm glad I took my phone out of my pocket. I might have to take my bag off, to be honest. Oh, you're caught in the anchor, you okay? I guess you get what you pay for, it's only 100 baht, isn't it? I don't know what else I expected. Pretty nice little set there. You could have at least put the steps in the back of the boat. Bag's wet. Bless me. Where's this kid come from? Huh? Kid just spawned in. Not having it. At least I don't need to wash this t-shirt anymore. Where is this kid come from? Saudi cat. Sorry. Is it dry? Great success. What palaver.